Hey guys, welcome back to the Sniper and Chronicles. Today we're coming back at you with another Ratchet video. Okay, this is an as found video. So here's a Ratchet that I found at a retail shop. And I think I paid, I bought a couple of things, but if I were to straighten the price out according to what I paid and what I got, this turned out to cost like $1. So I picked up this Craftsman Ratchet, the old style, 1/4-inch drive, quick release, and this is probably an early one because they didn't even have a model number on this. It just has forged in USA, V, US patents and Canadian patents on the bottom, and it has the year 1967, so probably on the earlier side. Has the oil port on the top, and as you can see, there's some, I guess you could call them rusting problems. Here on top, looks maybe like paint or something, not sure. The metal on the quick release looks like it's corroded somehow, and here you can see a little bit of what's in store for me inside. You see that rust just kind of popping out of the inside. And here is the anvil side. And another problem with this ratchet is that the quick release is rusted shut. This is the older style quick release with the kind of the pin in the middle of the anvil, and that pin is frozen, rusted solid. Here's the ball detent, that also is rusted solid. So let's take a look inside real quick, if I can get in there. Okay, voila, there we go, folks. See that? Are you seeing what I see? It's pretty bad in there. It looks like just rust and dirt and all kinds of stuff. Probably never serviced before. These ratchets have one tooth. You can see that. Oh, excuse me, hit the camera. You see that one tooth sticking up there from the pawl, but I guess you won't need much more than one tooth on a 1/4-inch. Here is the gear. There's the ring. Bunch of rust on it, but it looks like it might clean up. That looks like the kind of rust that just kind of sticks but is not embedded, kind of like dirty rust. Here's the ring. The ring is also, it's okay, should clean up all right. Here's the gear. Look at that. Look all around there. Looks like corroded metal. I don't think these buttons were steel. I think there were some alloy, and the teeth look pretty good. I don't think that this was used much as far as what the teeth look like, but just the neglect. You see all that rust over here, over there. I think this is more embedded than that rust. I think that's just there because this was sitting on top of that, but you can see the pin right there is frozen. So before I go any further, I have a little goal where I'm trying to reach 2,000 subscribers by sometime this summer, hopefully. And the only way I'm going to reach my goal is if you guys give me the HBO special. And the HBO special is Help a Brother Out special. So help a brother out, hit the like, and most important, hit that subscribe button. And I'll give you 2 seconds to do that. Okay guys, you guys that hit the buttons, I really appreciate that. Let me what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to work on this. I'm gonna put some penetrant or something in there, and I'm gonna soak it, and I'll be back and show you the results, and I'll probably clean up some of that to the best of my ability. All right, see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, we're back. So here's the parts after a good amount of cajoling. This quick release did release finally. You see the pin there moving in and out. It took a while. It took a little bit of heat. I think I used liquid wrench penetrant and a little bit of tapping with the hammer. Yeah, my famous hammer is back. And after a while, it did break, so that's good. It's good that it's usable again. And here are the other parts. They cleaned up pretty good. This ratchet was in pretty good condition, except for all the dirt and rust and old grease in it. But then doesn't look like it's seen much use. Here's the pawl. It's a pawl, batwing pawl with one tooth on each end there. Looks pretty new. Here are the rings and the switch. I think I showed you that already. And the inside of the mechanism cleaned up pretty good also. Not bad. There's the oil spout attachment thing, or the oil entry. It says oil that's stamped on it on top. That cleaned up pretty good. And here's the other end. I have the spring and ball in there already, ready to put back together. And let me see if I have any luck in putting this back together quickly. Take a really small screwdriver and get the ball and mash the ball and spring and try to drop. Okay. You drop the pawl in like that, and if you have any luck, hopefully it'll go in. And now another fun part is this little tiny ring, and you put that on the switch. Make sure the hole is oriented correctly on the protrusion for the pawl, and squeeze, and there you go. Now it's switching. Okay, now you take your gear, you put that in, and this is how it looks like when it's ratcheting. I don't know if you'll be able to see much there because the pawl, it's hidden by this piece of the ratchet here, and the pawl on this side. You see the little teeth there sticking up maybe. See this way. Yeah, you're not gonna see much there. Okay, and now what you do is you take your ring and you put your retention ring around it and you compress it. Like that. And you pull it down, make sure it catches, pull it out, make sure it's good, and you test it out, see if it's ratcheting. Yeah, I have a socket here, see if it works. Press the quick release, it's holding, and you let go, and the socket comes out. Alright guys, that's this one. The early Craftsman quick release ratchet from, it says 1967 here. I guess that's when they first started showing up. mid to late 60s, around 66, 67, these started showing up. They replaced the flying V ratchets, and the big thing that sold millions of these was the quick release. It was the only ratchet on the market at the time with a quick release button or a quick release mechanism. So they sold a boatload of these ratchets. Okay guys, that's all I got for now. Until next time.